tayo ulit guys. Nandito tayo ulit guys no sa pinuntahan natin nung nakaraang linggo guys no. So ayan guys. Tambay lang tayo dito. Kumain ako kanina dito. Ayan guys. So ayan guys, maganda ngayong panahon guys kasi mainit. So maraming tao ngayon guys. So ayan guys no. So ayan guys. So ayan guys. Ayan dito. So tatambay lang tayo kasi wala tayong magawa sa bahay. Ayan guys no. Ayan guys no.
This bicycle is a surviving 1985 Arrow Freestyle. This is a generation of green. This is factory original. In the second hit cage.
Bukas magti-Tim Hortons tayo guys no. Ayan guys, lilipat tayo dun sa fountain guys no. Ayan guys no. May naliligo dito guys. Ayan guys no. So ayan guys, may naliligo dito guys no. So ayan guys no. So ayan guys no. So naliligo dito guys. Ayan guys no. Umok mo yan guys. So okay lang din ito guys. So ayan guys. So may nagpipingpong din dito guys no. Ayan guys no. So ayan guys. Lagi na nila bailaan. Ayan guys no. So pasensya na guys. So ayan guys, dito muna magtatapos yung vlog natin guys no. So pang 195 na ito na vlog guys no. So ayan guys no. So, dito muna tayo magtatapos guys. Mamaya ulit guys. So, have a wonderful day and have a nice day. Keep safe and I'll see you for my next vlog. Peace out.